'cause I just can't stay here, stagnant under pressure. Let me guide you, 'cause there ain't no way to the pressure of the outside. Feel like taking over, 'cause there ain't no way. Let me guide you to revive. No way. Feel to the pressure of the outside. Come to me. Let me help you revive the light. Butter in the ice, head to toe in tie-dye. Wonder where this fairy came from. She's from heaven. Heart size of the Amazon, hand steady, hair long, holding fire in her hands. She starts to dance. Oh, mystical, magical, beautiful queen of the night. Ooh, Shiva by her side. I know that's right. Ah, look out, make way, tear it up, don't play, cut it off, grow back, throw it back. Oh, in the stands, tell me who can send it like that. Ooh, who's gonna stop me from giving my all? No way. Pull on my heartstrings and answer the call. Okay. Sunrise up, then she taking it down. Electrified, I'ma keep going round. Fantana, 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 Don't push back. 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 Contents under pressure. Contents under pressure. Huh? Content under pressure. Don't push back. You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love, love that lasts. In the past I messed up, gave too much.